Please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Standard 7th, Chapter 5, Operation on Rational Number. Before we start these sums, let's understand what is rational number. We know what is natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and it's go on. Whole number, it starts from 0 and 1, 2, 3, go on. Okay, numbers are infinitive, it does not end. Integers, integers have both positive as well as negative number and it goes on. Okay, so now comes rational number. What is rational number exactly? Any number which is in numerator and denominator form, any number that is said to be a rational number. For example, 4 upon 5, 62 upon 72 minus 43 upon 24. This all is said to be rational number. Only the rule is that in denominator it should not be a 0. It is not said to be a rational number. Let's start the first sum. Now see, these sums. You can do these sums in many different forms. But let's see something which can be do in easy form now. 5 upon 6. Before we start these sums, what should be our first intention? Our first intention should be both the denominator equal. See, in fractional number, we must always see before adding, subtracting that our denominator is equal or not. हमको ध्यान देना चाहिए कि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम है या नहीं, या द डिनोमिनेटर इज नॉट इक्वल. सो व्हाट वी विल डू फर्स्ट, I can reduce this number. 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42. So I get 1 upon 7. Now what I have to do? I have to do cross multiplication. 5 will multiply by 7, 1 will multiply by 36 and they both will multiply by each other. So this is said to be a rationalizing, equalizing of denominator. 5 into 7, the middle operation plus, and 1 into 36 upon, this denominator will multiply each other. So 36 upon 7. Then 7 5s are 35. 136 are 36. And this, take your rough column and do multiplication. 7 6 are 42. 7 3s are 21. 25. So you get 252. After adding 5 plus 6, 11. 1 carry, 3 plus 3, 6 and 1, 7 and 252. This is your answer. Let's see our second sums. Here, solution. This mixed fraction, first you rationalize it. 3. This denominator will multiply by this 1, middle one. Then they will get add to 2 upon 3. ये जो नीचे का डिनोमिनेटर है वो 1 के पास जाएगा फ्रेंडशिप करने. सो वो लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन उनका जो आंसर आएगा वो आंसर 2 के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करेगा. एंड देन बैक टू देयर होम, फिर वापस वो नीचे आ जाएंगे. दिस इज सेड टू बी कन्वर्टिंग ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इनटू प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. Denominator into this middle term, then adding 4, then back to denominator. So now 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5, then 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 upon 5. Now what we will see is the denominator equal or not. To do any operation, addition or subtraction, you need this denominator to be equal. So here I can see my denominator is not equal. So again you have to do equalizing, rationalizing. So 5 will multiply by this 5. Middle operation plus 14 into 3. And then the whole 3 into 5 denominator. So 5 5s are 25 plus 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4. 3 5s are 15. Final answer 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 2 6 upon 15. So here you get your final answer. Sums. Again I can see denominator is not equal. So first step will be equalizing the denominator. So 11 into 19 upon first 11 into 19, then this middle operation 13 into 17, and then this whole 17 into 19. So use your rough column and do the multiplication. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 9, 2 0, 9. Then 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 7 ones are 7, 8, 9. 1 3s are 3, 1 ones are 1, 1, 9 plus 3, 12, 9 sevens are 63, 6, 9 ones are 9 and 6, 15, 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1, 3, 12, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So here, no, 11 into 19, 209 plus 13 into 17, 221 and 17 into 19, 323. So after adding all, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 323. So your final answer. Let's see our fourth sums. As I can see, this is in mixed form, so make it proper. 11 into 2 plus 3, then back to denominator 11. See again, denominator multiply by this middle term, then add numerator, then back to denominator. So 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 3, 25 upon 11 plus 77 into 1, 77 plus 3, 80 upon 77. Now as I can see, again my denominator is not equal. So what I'll do, but I can see 11 I can make 77. How? By multiplying 7. So 25 multiply by 7 and 11 multiply by 7. So that will make it equalize. 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 175 upon 11 7s are 77. Plus 80 upon 77. As both the denominator are equal now, so we can add them in one fraction. So 175 plus 80. So that will be equal to 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 carry, 2, 255 upon 77. This is our answer. Carry out the following subtraction involving rational number. So now, Solution. First of all, we'll see whether our denominator is equal or not. If it is not equal, so what is our first step? We have to make them equal, rationalizing. So how we will do? Cross multiplication, and the denominator will multiply by itself. So 7 into 7, and then this middle operation, subtraction, 3 into 11 upon this 11 into 7. Further, 7 sevens are 49 minus 3 into 11, 33. Then 11 sevens are 77. Further, 9 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, and 77. This is your answer. Let's see next sums. 13 upon 36, 2 upon 40. Again, denominator is not equal. So we have to do rationalization. But before doing, we can see this we can reduce over here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 0. So 13 upon 36 subtract 1 upon 20. Okay, and now further you have to do cross multiplication. आगे हमको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो वाई वी डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. हम क्यों करते हैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन? क्योंकि कभी भी प्लस और माइनस करने के लिए फ्रैक्शन वाले सम्स में प्लस और माइनस करने के लिए डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा इक्वल होना चाहिए. डिनोमिनेटर शुड ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू डू दिस टू ऑपरेशन. सो हियर विल डू 13 into 20. 13 into 20. क्रॉस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. देन दिस मिडल ऑपरेशन माइनस. देन 1 into 36. 1 into 36 upon this denominator will multiply by each other. ये जो नीचे के डिनोमिनेटर है वो अपने आप में एक दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. Now 13 twos are 26. And this 0 at the end directly we can do, and then this 36 and 0 will take directly. Then 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Further, after subtraction, this 10 minus 6 4, then 5 minus 3 2, and this 2 upon 720. So here we can see this is a multiplication of 2 and 4. Let's do division. First, always divide by denominator. Start. So 4. 4 ones are 4. 3 carry. 4 eights are 32. Then 0. Then 4 fives are 20. 2 carry, 4 6 are 24. So 56 upon 8. Furthermore, it will get divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. 17 18 19 17 18 2 carry. 4 5s are 20. Then 4 1s are 4. 1 carry. 4 4s are 16. So what you get? Your final answer 14 upon 45. Third sums 3. So 3 multiply by 1, then plus 2 upon back to 3. What we are doing? We are making mixed fraction into proper. Then 6 3s are. ये डिनोमिनेटर 3 के पास जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. देन दे बोथ विल गो टू 5 एडिशन एंड देन बैक टू डिनोमिनेटर. सो आंसर 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. Then 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 19 20 21 22 23 upon 6. Now we can see our denominator is not equal. So we have to equalize the denominator. So here I can see 3. This 3 I can make 6. इस 3 को मैं 6 बना सकती हूँ मल्टीप्लाई करके 2. So either you write here, I am writing here. So whatever we will multiply in denominator, we have to multiply in numerator. So subtract 6, 23. So 5 2s are 10 upon 3 2s are 6, 23 upon 6 as it is. So now my denominator is equal. 10 minus 23 upon 6. So 10 minus 23, 13. But since the greater number has subtraction sign, बड़े नंबर को माइनस का साइन है, so my answer will be minus 37 upon 16. See how it is greater number. ये 10 यहाँ पे साइन नहीं है, means it is plus. And ये 23, it has minus. So that's why 23 is greater number and it has minus sign. So minus. This is our answer. Let's come to our fourth sums. Again do mixed fraction into proper. So 2 4s are plus 1 back to 2. Subtraction 3 3s are plus 1 back to denominator 3. So now 2 4s are 8 plus 1. Sorry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2. Subtract 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. Again my denominator is not equal. So further I will do rationalizing. So 9 3s are this middle operation subtraction 10 2s are upon 2 3s are. So 9 3s are 27, 10 2s are 20 upon 2 3s are 6. 27 minus 27 minus 10 17 upon 6. This is 10 2s are 20. Sorry, my mistake. Third sub question, multiply the following rational number. So here we have to do multiplication. Multiplication is simply, you have to do multiplication. First you must observe, पहले आपको देखना चाहिए, is there any number that could be cancelled. So here we can see nothing can be reduced or cancelled. यहाँ पे कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो सकता. So simply do multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 11 5s are 55. Your answer. Now see here. 12 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 15. So here I can see these two. They are multiplication of 3. ये जो दो नंबर है 3 के टेबल का है. So 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Now further anything I cannot divide. So 4 4s are 16 plus 5 5s are 25. 16 upon 25. Then third sums, minus 8 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Here I can see this 4 is in this 4 table I can divide 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So your final answer will be 2 1s are 2 upon 3 1s are 3 and this minus, here there is subtraction sign that you have to take. Yeah, 0 3s are 0 upon 6, 3 upon 4. So 0 3s are 0, 6 4s are 24. Now, see, any number we have seen, any 0 upon 24. So, 24 zeros are, when you divide, 24 zeros are. So, your answer will be 0. Okay. Fourth sub question, write the multiplicative inverse. Now, the word multiplicative inverse, मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इन्वर्स करना है. इन्वर्स मीन्स उल्टा. ओके, अपसाइड डाउन. सो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स, अगर आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, सो इफ द नंबर इज 2 upon 5, so it is like 5 upon 2. Multiplicative inverse. Let's see our sums. 2 upon 5, so simply reverse it, 5 upon 2, your answer. Minus 3 upon 8, so number will reverse 8 upon 3, but sign will be in numerator only, because in fraction we do not show minus in denominator. Minus 17 upon 39, so 39 upon 79, minus will be here. You can show minus in middle also, like in this form also you can show, either like this or like this. Now, here there is nothing in denominator, but we say हर एक number के नीचे 1 होता है. Every number has 1 in denominator. So multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon 7. Okay. Now, here first do in proper fraction. So 3 multiplied by 7 plus 1. This minus sign you write at the end. Now, so answer will be 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2, 22. 22 upon 3. And this minus sign. So multiplicative inverse will be 3 upon 22. Okay. Now, done. Fifth sub question, carry out the division of rational numbers. So, 40 upon 12. Just now we learned multiplicative inverse. That we will use over here. This division we will make it into multiplication. So, since we are making this division into multiplication, we have to do multiplicative inverse of this number. So, it will become 4 upon 10. See, यहाँ पे दिया है 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. So, ऐसे डिवीजन पॉसिबल नहीं है. So, हम इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स करते हैं. ये जो डिवीजन है उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लिखते हैं, और जो नंबर दिया है उसको रिवर्स में लिखते हैं, उल्टा लिखते हैं. Now, further, we'll do all the cancellation. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40. So finally what we left with, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, our answer. Let's see these sums. Minus 10 upon 11, division will become multiplication, and then here inverse. 10 upon 11, minus will be here only. So here I cannot cancel anything. See, हम लोग क्रॉस में ही कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. या तो ये वाला कैंसिल होगा इससे, और दिस विल गेट कैंसल्ड बाय दिस, और या तो अप एंड डाउन, दिस एंड दिस, अप एंड डाउन, दिस एंड दिस. बट वी कैनॉट डिवाइड इन फ्रंट. ऐसे में कभी डिवाइड नहीं होगा, बिकॉज देयर इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो गए. दिस बोथ नंबर विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. सो वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड इन फ्रंट. ओके, ओनली इन क्रॉस और अप एंड डाउन. सो या डोंट थिंक, ऐसे मत सोचो कि 10 और 10 डिवाइड होगा. नो, यू विल गेट रॉन्ग. दिस दे बोथ विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. सो 10 tens are 100, and minus into minus plus, and 11 11s are 121. Okay, if you do not know orally, use your rough column and do multiplication. Third sums, minus 7 upon 8 divide, so we'll do multiplicative inverse. And 6 upon 3. See, this minus you have to write in numerator only, as we cannot use in denominator. So it's a rule. Now first observe, can you divide anything further? पहले देखो ध्यान से कुछ डिवाइड हो सकता है क्या. सो ये आई कैन सी 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 2 ज़ा 6 एंड यह 7 अपॉन 8 डिविजन नहीं हो सकता. बट ये 2 and 8 देखो क्रॉस में है, इट इज़ इन क्रॉस, सो वी कैन डिवाइड. 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 4 ज़ा 8. So final answer 7 1 ज़ा 7, 4 1 ज़ा 4 and minus into minus plus. So this is your answer. Next sums. 2 upon 3. This division will be multiplicative. Now minus 4 upon nothing. That means you have 1. So 1 upon 4. And the subtraction sign in numerator only. Okay. According to rule, minus denominator में नहीं होता. यहाँ पे I can see 2 and 4 I can divide. So 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 2 ज़ा 4. So final answer 1 1 ज़ा 1, 3 2 ज़ा 6. यहाँ पे एक ही माइनस है, so minus. This is your answer. Fifth sums. Now see, they are in mixed fractions, so make it proper. Denominator will go to middle one and then they will add upon back to denominator. Divide by 6 into 5 plus 3 back to denominator. Then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. Divide. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 33 upon 6. Now further multiplicative inverse. 11 upon 5. Divide. This division we will write multiplication, so this term will become multiplicative inverse. 6 upon 33. Now see if you can cancel anything. So I can see this is a table of 11. So 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Further I can divide these two. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. See पहले मैंने क्रॉस में किया, फिर अप एंड डाउन किया. Okay. Finally 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. My answer. Next sums. Minus 5 upon 30. This division you write multiplicative inverse. Then 26 upon 7. So this is a table of 13 in cross. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So 5 twos are 10, 1 sevens are 7, minus into plus minus. So your answer. 8 sums. 9 upon 11. This division we will write in multiplication form. Then minus 8. As I said, every number has 1 in denominator. So 1 upon minus 8. कोई भी नंबर होगा उसके नीचे 1 होता ही है. सो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स में 1 अपॉन, सॉरी डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस 8 नहीं होता. सो minus will be in top only. So just see if you can divide anything. So there is nothing to be cancelled. So your answer will be 9 ones are 9, 11 8s are 88. And as I can see subtraction, this subtraction your answer. You can write this in this form also. माइनस को हम ऐसे बीच में भी दिखा सकते हैं. Either this or this. Now the last sums 5. ये 5 ऐसा ही रहेगा, स्टार्टिंग में है ना. Then this division will write multiplication. हमेशा डिवाइड का जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है तो उसके बाद का टर्म ही इन्वर्स में होता है. ओके, डोंट थिंक कि अच्छा इसके नीचे 1 है, सो वी हैव टू मेक दिस. नो, फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी ऑलवेज एज इट इज. Next term you have to do multiplicative inverse. So here I can see I cannot divide anything now. यहाँ पे 5 into 5 है और यहाँ पे 1 into 2 है. So 5 5 is 25, 1 2 is 2. Answer.